Hi, hello, I'm BeaP, that's B-E-A-P, and today we are gonna cook. I usually just do brunches, so here's what we have for today. You can see my family making fun of me as I shoot this video. I just start off with a nice lemon water using about less than half of a lemon, and then just slicing it and squeezing it into the mug, and then pouring some water all over it just to hydrate over the night's sleep, and just drink it all up before I actually eat anything for the day. And then I'm gonna tie my hair because I don't want hair all over my food. So starting off, I have my slave here. I'm gonna be boiling water to dissolve in my green tea, and I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of matcha powder into my mason jar. It smells so good. And there you go, pouring the hot water and then just mixing it all in. Drink more water, and then afterwards I'm gonna be putting cold water into that because I want my drink cold. And I'm gonna be putting a half tablespoon of chia seeds and just gonna let it rest for like about 10 minutes, put it in the fridge. Then here I have some milk, and I'm gonna be frothing that with a mixer. It's actually a hand mixer, but I'm gonna put that all on top of the green tea, and there you go, it makes a nice gradient all up in there. I'm gonna be putting that back in the fridge again, and it looks so nice, see? It's actually my first time doing this drink, and it tastes really good. And here I have my half cup of rice, 8 pieces of okra, it's about like half a cup, and a whole tomato. I'm just gonna slice that up in pieces. And here I have my 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna be mincing that, putting some of it on the tomato. I boiled the okra for about 10 minutes and it's all nice and cooked. And here you can see me struggling to open a carton of egg. I'm gonna soft boil that, and here I have my eggplant, about half a cup of that, slicing that all in. Back to my tomatoes, I'm gonna be putting dried basil on that and then just mix it all in. There you can see me failing opening that soft boiled egg. Here I have my olive oil in the pan, and then just tossing in my eggplants. And afterwards, I'm gonna put my garlic to saute and putting a knob of butter in it. Then I'm gonna put the okra back in the pan, so it's less slimy. Putting salt and pepper in there and giving it a nice toss around. Here you can see it doesn't look nice, but it really tastes good. Then just gonna put that back in the bowl with the tomatoes and the egg. There you go. Nice bright colors in the food, and it fell. I'm gonna be slicing up some bacon for protein, and hi Arya. I'm gonna be cleaning up the stovetop since the bacon's still cooking. There you go, here's my drink back. And here's everything in the bowl. It's all colorful and flavorful and nice. And I'm gonna be eating that for brunch, yeah. Hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, please do subscribe and hit like or whatever, and see you guys in the next video. I'll be doing